In this quick video, I will show you the difference between working into a chain space and working into a chain. I hope this video will be helpful to beginner crocheters. I'm going to demonstrate it on this project that I'm working on, a lacy scarf. So right here, I need to crochet, single crochet into the chain space. So when the pattern says to crochet into the chain space, that means that you will insert the hook under the entire chain like this. So that's how single crochet is worked in this case. Now, if the pattern says to work into the chain, you will need to insert the hook directly into the chain stitch. For instance, if I were to write this pattern and the single crochet would have to be worked into the chain, I would write in the pattern single crochet in third chain of the next chain 5. So here is my chain 5. And 1, 2, 3, this is the third chain. And if I need to work a single crochet into this chain, I insert the hook directly into the stitch like this. And then I work a single crochet. So you can see the difference. Right here, the stitch, single crochet stitch is worked into the chain space, but right here, the single crochet is worked into the chain itself.